Hi everybody, Adam with Team Box Breaks here, ready to do our breaks for tonight. We are going to do 2007 Upper Deck Black Baseball. 2 cards out of this box. A very small box, but both I believe are autographed and numbered to 99 or less, so very high-end stuff here. It is Tuesday, April 26th, just after 8 o'clock. So let's get started. Good luck to everybody. Pack 1, white. Pack 2 is black. We have our empty box. Oh, more shrink wrap. Fantastic. A little pack like this, I'm bound to cut my fingers off. You watch. And more foil. My God! They really didn't want anyone playing with these, I take it. Oh, I think I can just peel this one. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's see what the first one is. Oh, and a package inside there. My God! I think we're all paying for the wrapper, apparently. Good luck to everybody. And we have our first hit. Pride of a Nation, Dan Heron for the Oakland A's, autograph flag patch, numbered to 75. Nice looking card. Congrats whoever had the A's. Next pack. Oh, plastic on that one's kicking my ass. Alright. Ooh, even a white package inside the white box. They really went all out. For that price, for 2 cards, they damn well better have. Alright, good luck to everybody. And our next hit is a Felix Hernandez. Autographed, looks like a printing plate. I'm going to bet this is a 1 of 1 for the Seattle Mariners. Let's look. You have received a printing plate, personal autograph, Felix Hernandez. Da 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 da. You know, it doesn't say. It is a printing plate, so I would assume it's a 1 of 1. Press plate autograph, authentication card. That was in there with it. Oh yes it is, 1 of 1. Very nice, only card in existence. Congrats whoever had the Mariners. Very nice pull. And that concludes our Upper Deck Black break. Thanks a lot guys, and we're going to do some limited football. Stay tuned.